Welcome to Fix Your Apps, and today I'll show you how to log out WhatsApp account, explaining each step clearly so you can follow along without confusion. This video will help you understand every method you can use. Now let's get started. Step 1. First open the WhatsApp app and make sure you are logged into the correct account because the actions you take will apply only to the account currently active on your device. This helps avoid switching settings on the wrong profile. Step 2. Locate the top of the WhatsApp screen and tap on the three dots icon, which opens the main menu. Then choose the settings option to proceed. This area contains your account tools, privacy controls, and app preferences. Step 3. From the menu, tap on the account option, and if you see the logout option inside this menu, simply tap on it to confirm. This will automatically log out your WhatsApp account and return you to the login screen. Step 4. If the logout option does not appear in your account menu, swipe down from the top of your screen to open your quick settings panel, then tap on the settings icon at the top right. This method takes you directly into your device's main settings. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the apps menu, then open it. Now scroll slowly or use the search bar to find the WhatsApp app and tap on it to access its system options and data controls. Step 6. Open the storage menu inside WhatsApp settings. Here you will see the clear cache option and tap on them to clear it, and then back the previous screen and uninstall them and then reinstall it and log into the correct account. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.